Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 9th May 2026. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, you have come here to realize yourselves. Consider yourselves to be souls and listen to the Father, the Supreme Soul. Practice remaining soul conscious. Question. What should you reply to people who ask you, children, if you have had a vision of a soul? Answer. Tell them, yes, we have had a vision of a soul. A soul is a point of light. It is the soul that has good and bad sanskars. We have now received all the knowledge of souls. Before we had a vision of a soul, we were body conscious. We have now received God realization and self-realization from the Supreme Soul. Song is, neither will he be separated from us, nor will there be any sorrow. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Wake up early in the morning and churn the ocean of this knowledge. Note down and repeat to yourself whatever the Father tells you, and then tell that to others. First of all, give everyone the Father's introduction. Number 2. In order to go to that pure world, remove your intellect's yoga from this impure world. Blessing for today. May you be a number 1 businessman and use every second and thought to accumulate an income and thereby become a multimillionaire. Details are: a number 1 businessman knows the way to keep himself busy. A businessman means someone who doesn't waste a single thought but earns something with every thought. Just as those businessmen use every penny and make it into multimillions, in the same way, when you earn something at every second and with every thought, you will become a multimillionaire. By doing this, your intellect will stop wandering, and the complaint of having wasteful thoughts will finish. Slogan is, those who ask for anything can never have the full treasure of happiness. Avyakt signal. Constantly experience an unshakable, immovable and constant stage. Only those who are constantly seated on the seat of a master almighty authority can remain constantly unshakable and immovable. Bap Dada says, even if you have to shed your body, you must not let go of your happiness. Money is nothing compared to that. For those who have the treasure of happiness, nothing is difficult, and because Bap Dada is always with you, constantly cooperative, serviceable children, there is nothing to be afraid about. Om Shanti.